In this video, you can see how to set up Google Analytics to track website traffic data in your Google site, which will help in improving your site performance. We need to sign into Google Analytics site with our Google login information. We need to click Start Measuring button to enter Google Analytics site. Here first we need to set up an account where we can track more than one ID. Here, ID refers to web property. It can be our website, Blogger site, Android app, or the iOS app. Give a suitable name to set up account to get your Google Analytics data that is relatable to your business or activity. And here, we have some of the account data sharing settings, which you can select and deselect based on your need to share with Google. And continue with the process. In this page, we need to set up the property, which can be your website, web store, or your apps. I want to set up analytics in my Google site, Designing Infinity. And next, here we can select the reporting time zone that best suits our country of residence and the currency used. And again continue with the process. Here, we can provide more information about our business, for which we are setting the property. The business information includes selecting our business or industry category, number of employees in our business setup, and as well as give information on how we are going to use the data that we get from the Google Analytics site. And finally, click the Google Analytics Create button. Here, we need to accept Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement, along with this additional terms on shared data with Google. Once done with the agreement, we can, if need, select to receive email notifications from Analytics site. Here, we can set up the actual web property, or web apps, be it Android app or the iOS app. Since I am setting up the analytics for my Google site, I need to select this web option. Here in this website field, we need to enter the Google site URL link. We need to head to the Google site to copy the Google site URL link. Here is my Google site URL link. We can copy the URL link. Again, I need to come back and paste it in this website field in Google Analytics site and give a suitable name for the property stream. Finally, click Create Stream button below to set up Analytics ID. And we are done setting up the Google Analytics ID. You can see all the analytics stream details one beside the other. And next step is to add this Google Analytics ID in Google site. Let's head back to Google site. In Google site, we need to click this settings icon in the top. And again, we need to click Analytics tab in the pop-up window. Here, in Google Analytics Tracking and Measurement ID field, we can paste the Google Tracking ID and update the changes. Once done adding the Analytics ID, it will take minimum 48 hours to generate data from the site. And we are done with video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.